told you that some of Tampa's most incredible luxury rentals are hiding in plain sight? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on a few exclusive communities, Hyde Park and the islands, to show you the stunning waterfront views and lavish amenities you just won't find anywhere else. Forget the crowded tourist spots. We're going behind the gates. We're about to explore the neighborhoods where privacy is the #1 perk and lifestyle is absolutely everything. Stick around to see what life is really like inside Tampa's best kept secrets. First up, let's head to an island that feels a world away but is literally steps away from the heart of downtown Tampa, Harbour Island. This isn't just a neighborhood. It's a 24/7 gated community that's the perfect mashup of a resort-style quiet and city convenience. Imagine waking up, taking a quick stroll across the bridge, and boom, you're right at the Tampa Riverwalk, at the arena, or some of the best restaurants in the city. This is where you'll find some of the most sought-after luxury rentals, from sleek townhouses to jaw-dropping high-rise apartments. Take a place like the Olympus Harbour Island, for instance. It's a 21-story Parisian-style tower with options from studios to 3-bedroom homes. We're talking about incredible hotel-style amenities like a private movie theater, a full-service spa, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and even a skywalk that connects you to the next building. Other buildings like MAA Harbour Island offer multiple resort-style pools, resident lounges, and unbelievable skyline and water views from private balconies. It's a lifestyle built for anyone who wants the energy of the city, but also a serene island to escape to with median rents that reflect that premium experience. Okay, now that we've seen the modern style of island living, let's go somewhere that feels like stepping back in time without giving up a single modern luxury. Welcome to Hyde Park. It's tucked just a little south of downtown, and Hyde Park is Tampa's, what I would best describe as Tampa's historic district. It's famous for its charm and how easy it is to get around on foot. The vibe here is completely different. So picture yourself in a beautifully restored 1920s bungalow or a chic apartment on a quiet, tree-lined street with these huge, gorgeous oak trees. The whole neighborhood just breathes a kind of timeless elegance. And at the center of all of this is Hyde Park Village, an upscale, open-air spot with designer boutiques, sidewalks, cafes, and some of Tampa's best restaurants. This isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. It's for the person who dreams of starting their day with a walk maybe to the local coffee shop, maybe a little shopping in the little village area, and or a casual stroll down Rome Street to the iconic Bayshore Boulevard and watch perhaps the sun going down. Rentals here range from charming historic units to modern apartments, making it a magnet for young professionals and anyone who craves that perfect mix of historic character and city energy. If you're loving this look at Tampa's luxury rental scene and already picturing yourself, which neighborhood would you be choosing? Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and let me know. I'm always sharing insider tips to help you find your perfect spot right here in Tampa Bay. All right, next up and our final spot, we're heading to what might be the most exclusive address in Tampa. Ever wonder where the city's most affluent residents live? Well, guess where? A lot of them call Davis Island's home. This is truly one of Tampa's wealthiest neighborhoods, and it has this amazing blend of sophistication and absolute laid-back island life, if you can believe that. It was originally developed in the 1920s. Davis Islands has a captivating, almost paradise-like feel. It's a community with its own private airport, a yacht club, and a cute little downtown village. One of its most popular spots is the Davis Island's Dog Beach. Gosh, if you love pets, and everybody in Tampa seems to, a sandy heaven for anyone who has a four-legged friend. What makes it so desirable, in my opinion, is its perfect balance. You feel like you're in your own secluded world on the water, but you're just a few minutes from downtown Tampa and the buzz of the city life. The rental market here is just as impressive as the real estate. You'll find an amazing selection of luxury apartments and homes for rent, from sprawling Mediterranean estates available for lease to upscale waterfront condos with private docks. It's a haven for families, medical professionals at nearby Tampa General Hospital, and really anyone looking for an upscale, peaceful life with incredible water views. So whether it's the resort-style living of Harbour Island, the historic charm of Hyde Park, or the exclusive waterfront vibe of Davis Islands, Tampa's luxury rental market has a little of something for everyone and their tastes. These neighborhoods prove you can have it all. Privacy, incredible amenities, and a vibrant lifestyle, all just minutes from the city. I help people find their perfect luxury rental or dream home right here in Tampa Bay. So if you're thinking about moving here or just want to see what's up, all of my contact information is below. I'd love to help you find your own slice of paradise. I'm Britta Becker, Tampa Bay real estate agent with Tampa Bay Real Estate Company and the host of American Dream TV's Selling Tampa. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.